shit.
Tell me how much you don't like him.
Who, Mike Lindell?
Yeah, the My Pillow guy. What do you think of his?
All right.
His new approach is the worst.
Right, and you gotta notice the little what do they call it? The little
Right.
things. He has a cross on. He keeps that out of his shirt, so you can see that he believes in God and the Lord.
Yeah, and you're getting a My Pillow, and he's getting God.
No, I was thinking of starting a pillow called Your Pillow.
That's right, Your Pillow.
They'll remember it because they're gonna be like, "Oh my God, I can't believe."
You're gonna be knocked out.
I can't believe she called it Your Pillow.
When you wake up to it, you'll be like, "Oh, what's My Pillow?"
I will advertise right on his fucking heels. Right on his heels.
There you go. Put him out of the game.
Oh, he'll be out. His reviews were horrible. I looked him up. One guy said he bought the pillows, he threw them in a dumpster right away.